In the forge we stand, hammers in our hands. With every strike we breathe, we're more than just our deeds. Hear the anvil roar as the fire ignites. We're the dwarves who rise, break through the darkest night.